welcome. My name's Sarah Arrow, and I'd like to take a few moments to invite you along to the SEO Masterclass in conjunction with me and in partnership with Namecheap for their summit. And I'm really excited to be sharing with you the basis of SEO. And we're going to start right at the beginning. You don't need any technical ability. If you can open an email, add an attachment, and click a link, you're pretty much covered for what we're going to do. We're going to go through the basics. You'll learn the language. You'll pick up some free tools. There's a fantastic little workbook for you to take notes in so you can keep it in your brain for longer and take action on it later. And towards the end of the session, we're going to optimize 3 of the pages on your website. We're going to start with the home page, the contact page, and your about page. You're going to get fantastic results, and I really hope to see you in the masterclass. Take care now.